Girl, we just took these out of the oven. Are you as hungry as I am?
Yes, I am. They smell so good. Everything looks so good.
Okay, so you put yours on that corner. I'll put mine in the middle.
Okay. Any particular way?
Nah. I mean, make it look cute. That's my thing, right?
Okay. If one comes up missing before we get done, it is not my fault.
You might only end up with like 3 balls on the plate, and that's it. I'm going to take the rest of them and run.
Oh my God.
You're like, oh well, Felicia, you helped me make them, but you won't eat any.
If they make it. I'm just saying.
If they make it.
Okay.
Oh,
a little bit more room.
Good, yeah.
I need some room.
Oh, you need some more room?
Yes.
You need to take some of my balls
Your little balls are in the way.
Hey, girl. Well, you ain't got to put all yours on there either.
Oh, I don't?
No.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you can keep some more. I'm just messing with you.
Okay. I want to make it look pretty.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Okay, yes. Make it look pretty.
Make it look cute.
Yes, make it look cute.
Cute.
Yes.
There you go.
Good.
How about that?
Okay,
one more. You get one more?
One more.
You go.
Yes, one more.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to put my balls right on top.
Oh,
How about that?
Stack them on top.
Stack the balls. There we go. All right. Now, you ready for some calamari?
Yes.
All right,
oh my God, yes, I'm ready.
Yes. Okay. You ready to fry up the last of these calamari?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So what I need you to do is take a piece in the tongs and gently place them in the basket.
Okay.
There you go. And then just keep putting them in there.
Okay.
Don't stack them on top of each other, though.
Okay.
They need room to breathe and fry and become beautiful creatures.
Okay. Can I say it places the lotion in the basket?
Sure. If that's what you like.
I don't know if you know what movie that's from.
I do not.
That may
Which
be
is
a little
crazy because I love movie quotes. What the heck is he?
From Silence of the Lambs.
Ooh, I should have known that.
Yes.
Give me this plate.
Has nothing to do with food, but I just
tossed it in there.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Just thought I'd add that in there.
All right.
Yeah.
So you want to show off our beautiful plate that we've already made so far?
I am surprised it's still on the plate because I'm so hungry.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
As soon as you turn your back, I might take a few.
I better not turn my back then. Like, yup.
That's me.
So the thing is, they cook extremely fast, right? It doesn't take that long at all. Only a couple minutes.
Okay.
It's like regular seafood, right? Shrimp, lobster, crab. It doesn't take that long to cook. So this is going to be the same way. Maybe another couple seconds or so. We'll be ready.
All right.
So let's slide these guys up.
Okay.
And let's get our platter of other deliciousness going on.
Yes, I'm so excited. Food makes me really excited.
I know, right?
Yes.
All right, so while those hang out, you want to put some of those on the plate over there?
Yes.
All right, and I'm going to grab a lemon to slice. So while you do that, I'll be over here slicing a lemon. Get some lemon wedges on here.
So what do you usually eat with calamari? I know some restaurants serve like
cocktail sauce?
Yeah, cocktail sauce. I don't know, I've seen like, I don't know, tomato paste or I don't know.
Yeah, it's
whatever,
okay with cocktail, but I actually just like it just like that, to be honest with you. I don't need the sauce.
Now I've seen calamari where it's like in some kind of sauce, and they cut them into like strips.
Yes,
and they use they're not crispy, they're like more creamy.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I've seen them grilled also.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Yeah.
All right, that looks good. Beautiful. Now let's check on these guys. Oh yeah, they're ready. Okay, let's add those to the plate because you know we're going to end up eating those anyway.
I know. Yes. Yes.
Go ahead and get them on there. This plate looks good. I feel like just taking this plate and
looks
running
really
away.
good.
She would never know.
Oh yes, I would. I would chase after you. I'm so hungry. I would.
She would run down the street in her heels to get this plate.
Yes. I took off my heels, so.
Oh, okay. Well,
I would definitely catch up with you.
She would definitely catch me.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, that's looking good.
So good.
All right. Yes, and our drinks are already on the table.
Yes.
The bottle's on the table.
I know.
The only thing we need is the food.
Yes, and us.
Hey, let's go.
That's it. All right.
All right. All right. Look at this, guys. Doesn't it look delicious? Yeah. Okay. So, you ready to taste it?
I'm ready. Yeah.
What do you want to start with first?
I want to start with the Spanakopita.
All right. I'm gonna start with the meatballs.
Okay.
All right. Go for it.
Is it one bite? Do you take one bite or do I?
Go whatever you want. flavor is phenomenal. This is good.
This is so good.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, what was that? You having a moment? Okay. I gotta go for one now. I'm only doing half season. I'm gonna do a half bite. You gonna wait for me so we can try to
What are you saying about me?
It might.
You did a whole bite.
No, see.
Yeah, see?
Okay, I'm gonna do a whole bite too.
Okay.
I won't be outdone.
It is so good.
I have to do my happy dance on this. This remind you of Grease at all? Really? All right.
Calamari.
I saved my meatballs. I'm ready to get to this.
Yeah, calamari.
Okay. Good boy. You gonna do a whole bunch
You
of
put lemon on yours?
Oh shoot. Nope. It's never too late.
It's never too late.
It's never too late for lemon. Okay, let's go. Okay, there you go.
Yes.
Woo, toss the lemon. Okay. All right, go for it. Ready? I don't even want to talk anymore. I just want to eat. I'm so sorry. The batter, right?
So good.
The combination of the three, did it work? Okay.
It's really good.
Really good. Okay.
Nice
So,
and tender too. Yeah.
I know, right? Really good. All right, I'm ready to get to the table and finish up this dish with my friend Felicia. Thank you so much for joining
You're
me
welcome.
today.
Thank you, Angela.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
We have to do this again.
We will. Yes.
Soon. Okay, awesome.
sure.
Okay. I'm going to have these recipes posted on our blog, just culinarykisses.com/blog. Make sure you check that out. And if you decide to make these 3 delicious Greek appetizers, make sure you hashtag Culinary Kisses because I want to see your plates. This is Chef Angela Michelle. Thank you so much for joining me today on Taste on TV. This has been From the Catwalk to the Kitchen. And girl, are you ready to catwalk over the table and eat some of these appetizers?
Yes.
All right,
ready.
let's go. Let's set this right here. Go on and have a seat. And we have our bottle here, so we can always pour some more if we need it.
And cheers again.
Oh, cheers, darling. It's a good food.
Yes.
Good Greek food.
In good company.